Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2022 Chevrolet Bolt EUV LT in Summit White with forward collision alert, lane departure warning, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 10.2-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, wireless device charger, split folding rear seats, 65 kilowatt-an-hour battery, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7906.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.